Hi guys, today, Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner is introduced here. Let's see how it works to solve iOS issues. Part 1. Fix iOS issues in standard mode without data loss. First of all, make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Then run Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Choose System Repair on the left side. Click Standard Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. You can put it into DFU mode or recovery mode. Click Next on the software. OK, the iPhone is detected. You need to get the corresponding firmware package. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, click Repair. Then your iPhone will restart and work normally with no data loss. You can unlock the iPhone to use as usual. Part 2. Repair your iOS device in advanced mode. Open the software and click System Repair. Click Advanced Mode. Click Start. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next on the software. Well, you need to get the firmware package for your iPhone repair. Click Download to go ahead. Minutes later, you are on Verify Success and Ready interface. You can check or uncheck these options. One is activate your device after repair, the other is skip the setup wizard after activation. Then click the Repair and OK button to begin the process. When you see the Repair Successfully message, your iPhone restarts. You can set it up as a brand new iPhone. Part 3. Upgrade your iPhone iOS version with no data loss. Open the software and choose iOS Upgrade Downgrade option. Click Upgrade iOS. Then connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust on the iPhone and enter the screen passcode to trust this computer. Click Next on the software. You can view the iPhone current version here. Then choose the latest iOS from the firmware version section. Click Download to download the firmware package. Now, click the Start button to upgrade your iPhone iOS. When the software shows upgrade successfully, your iPhone restarts. Well done! See, your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.0. You can continue to finish the setup. Besides, you can also check the iOS version in settings. Part 4. Downgrade the iOS version to a previous one. Open the software and choose iOS Upgrade Downgrade. Then choose Downgrade iOS on the right side. OK, now connect your iPhone to the computer. Tap Trust and enter the screen passcode to trust this computer. Go back to the software and hit the Next button. Well, your iOS version is displayed here. You can get the available iOS you can downgrade on the firmware version section. Then click Download to download the firmware package. Oh, you need to pay attention that this operation will erase all data on your iPhone. Click the Start button and then click OK. Now, the software is reverting to the selected iOS version on your iPhone. Well done! The iPhone iOS has been downgraded successfully. See, your iPhone reboots as a brand new one. That's all.